Hello and welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. We're going to go through our second week back this term and let you know what's been going on across the week. Days this week have started with an assembly delivered by myself from years 7 through to 11 to remind our students of what a fantastic school we are and our vision and our values as a school. We've been reminding students that we are here to inspire and to raise their aspirations to reach their unlimited potential. And students have been listening carefully about our 3 important core values of ambition, respect and care. This has also led to us talking to students about the things that they can do on a day-to-day basis to control their success over time. We've talked about attendance, work ethic and that respect and care for their studies and for each other so that we can have a school community that reaches our unlimited potential. This week students have been auditioning for our school show, which will take place in June next year. We've had hundreds of students auditioning for main roles and other parts in the show, and we can't wait to see them in rehearsals moving forward. The cast list will be out next Friday, so students should look out for when that's released to see if you've secured the part that you wanted in the show. Our extracurricular program is back up and running. If you want to find out what's on after school, you can find this information on our website. This week has seen a busy week with sport, with football and netball, and it's been great to see so many students coming and getting involved in the extracurricular activities available at the Avon Valley School. It's been great to see students coming back to school over the last couple of weeks with some really excellent behaviour and attitudes to learning in lessons. A really positive start with thousands of house points awarded, which students can use to buy items in the school reward shop. Well done to everybody for such a great couple of weeks coming back into school and hitting the ground running. A reminder again that it's our open evening next Thursday on the 18th of September. If you know somebody who's looking for a school place for their child for September 2026, pass on that information and get them to come along, and we'll look forward to seeing them on the evening. That's it for this week's edition of This Week at AVS. Please don't forget to hit a like and subscribe if you haven't done already so that you can find out everything that's going on at the amazing Avon Valley School.